Welcome back. In this video, we will talk about lists and URL lists. These are important for easy and reusable firewall rules. Lists are reusable parts of the OCI network firewall. They let you group items like addresses, apps, services, or URLs for a rule. IP address list. These lists contain IPv4 and IPv6 addresses for use in the firewall rules. You can include single IP addresses, CIDR blocks, or a combination of both. Each IP address list can contain up to 1000 entries. Application lists. These allow you to group and manage application for traffic control. You can select from predefined application to include in the list. A single firewall policy can support up to 2,500 application lists. Each application list can contain up to 100 applications. Service list. This list enables you to group services for allowing or blocking traffic. You can select from predefined services to include in the list. A single firewall policy can support up to 2,000 service lists, and each service list can contain up to 200 services. URL lists. URL filtering is a critical feature of OCI network firewall, allowing you to control access to specific websites. URL lists are an efficient way to organize and manage these URLs for firewall policies. When creating a URL list, enter each URL on a separate line. Don't include protocols like HTTP or HTTPS. You can also use wildcards for flexible matching. Asterisk, it can mean any number of characters, and caret, which only works with single-level subdomains. We have explored how list and URL list in OCI network firewall help create flexible, efficient security rules. These tools allows you to group and manage IP addresses, application services, and URLs. Build reusable components for your firewall policies and easily maintain and update your security rules. Thank you for watching and happy secure networking.